This is Riverdale station level crossing, what has Harman lights here. Pair of Harman or whatever they pronounce it lights here. Then they've got Westinghouse. Cross arms there. That one's unmarked, but that's Westinghouse there. I bet the other one is Westinghouse, but I can't see it on this from this angle. That's an unmarked light, but that looks like it's Westinghouse on that one as well. They've got Teftrend systems, gate motors. I can't remember what the bells are called, but the bell's called something before, well, exactly named. They've got not marked bases, nothing marked on the bases, so they're just standard bases. I thought you said with the tripod part. It's the same over there, but I believe they've got all Westinghouse lights over there, but I'll do a snapshot picture over there and I'll come back over here. Crossing on this side is this standard crossing with Westinghouse lights, incandescents, cross arm, track-through sign, unknown bell, I can't remember what the name was. Look at what I know for this time, I can't remember the name, so I'll stop on it with black and white, black with the white letters. On this side as well, it's got the Harman lights, Westinghouse lights, with Westinghouse upside down, Westinghouse cross arm. Harman lights, Westinghouse. They're all incandescent, these ones. Teftrend systems cross arm, gate mechanism I should say. Unknown, I can't remember what exactly the bell's called, but it's going to be unknown for this time, but it's got an unmarked base, so that's a modern base. It looks like this cross has been damaged in a collision or something. It's got a big dent in that side, so I mean that's been damaged once. But I'm going to wait for the train to come along, and I'll go over there from that one, but then I'll wait for the train. This one has Westinghouse incandescent lights with a right way up cross arm was Westinghouse branded. Stop Westinghouse sign black with the white letters, track-through sign and this crossbar in an unmarked base. So I'm going to wait over where my tripod and wait for the train to come along. Crossing's about to go off. I could hear him putting the levers on.
Broken.
No, I don't know if they're bending correctly because the rod's not moving. At least the sun's not behind the tree. That's what I'm thinking.
There's two stations like this, one and this one.
Running early that train actually. One's the next one. I'm going to just do this one and the up train. Yes, Melbourne.
Turns out to be delayed with the trains.
Well, I have an app. When you press the thing to such a signal, it's not going to come up with the right one.
It's going to run out then, because it's only megabytes.
Something wrong with the app, but.
You turn it off now.
Yes, we go on the platform and press the button and see what the next train's due. It does, the buttons work as well, so the light will be green.
All the transfers is two. They're both A's.
Go across the road and I'll meet you up at the platform.
No, they're both A's, so let me watch them.
Megan, I'm going to get the
They're my
timetable.
favourite trams. Let me see them go past. I like the A's.
Go across now. Go on the platform, press the button. These signals at Riversdale, I believe, are not controlled by the trains. They're controlled by the signal box. So the trains have activate what goes past, activate the signals. There goes a couple of trams across the pass over. This is the tram. The trams are stopping at the stop. He goes to crossing. What's the weight on the pole? The weight will go up over there. A little bit closer to the crossing. See? He's changing the voltage on the overhead with that.
She was like, I remember you telling me this song of Bongo. She was like, she went over to him when he was playing.
Did you see the box now you? The code deal is thingy. I don't know if my camera called it on, but I think the block bell, I don't know if the thing called it, but the block bell was ringing.
Flying through Riversdale.
What's the way over there?
Riversdale Railway Station.
This is the Melbourne.
And the bell now.
Big old show. What's the wait? The man changes the overhead wire for the trains and trams.
Like an old country town.
Signal box, yeah.
This might be getting changed, isn't it?
Until I find a way to make it look automatic. I'm jumping on the next train after this one, by the way.
31's in it.
Yeah.
Goes to Alamein.
No, Flinders.
For the Alamein. She said before. She said 6:11 for the Alamein and 6:31.
So these signals are still manual controlled, these crossings, so when the man sets off in the box.